Hello all, welcome to the introduction of the podcast. Myself Varun Prabhu and I am here with my team to explain you all what exactly the podcast is. The podcast is an initiative by a group of students in association and in direct contact with the institute's administration. Through this, we aim to establish a credible source of information regarding the National Rail and Transportation Institute across various social media platforms. We complement and supplement the existing official channels who intend to spread information regarding the institute. We primarily focus on fighting misinformation about the institute, which is constantly being spread all over the internet. And we aid in development of the institute and let the aspiring students know about us. In short, Podcast is the official student broadcasting channel of the National Rail and Transportation Institute for authentic and reliable information.
The podcast aims to be an organized, authentic, and simpler information provider with respect to NRTI and its associations. We concentrate on various domains such as information regarding the courses offered, the extracurricular organizations, and even seniors and their experiences and reviews about the institute. We also focus on other generic and worldwide content with respect to the transportation sector, such as interviews with some of the high achievers and intellectual minds in transportation across the globe, and many more interesting areas which would help our students, aspiring students, as well as the transportation enthusiasts. The podcast also acts as a platform for the students of NRTI to execute their ideas, where the team would help in connecting and coordinating with all the requirements they need, awarding them with all the deserved credits.
So now, let's dig deeper into domains and understand them. With Senior Talks, we want to get reliable information straight from horse's mouth for present as well as aspiring students of NRTI. Moving along with Rail series, we aim to create global content focused on rail with help of intellectual rail minds of our institute. Also, we aim to get information about courses offered from trustworthy people like Program Director himself, Registrar, and many more such people. Then talking about clubs, we coordinate with clubs to get insights on the events and activities they conduct, and together we work on an annual report which will be converted into hard copy and then converted into video as well to be uploaded on our channel. Last but not least, we will also hold talks with transportation experts in order to disseminate their knowledge to a wider audience base of students and transportation enthusiasts in order to help them make a career in this field.
Hi everyone, I'm Pratham Garg. Social media is the key to information these days and works well with the audience, allowing the information to be organized and easily accessible. The interviews or talks that we host will be uploaded to the official YouTube channel of Podcast. Some of the high-stature recordings will also make it to the official website. These sessions will also be converted into podcast and uploaded to the platforms dedicated to podcast, for example, Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and so on. We believe in professionalism and being accessible to all. Hence, we will operate not only through podcast or YouTube, but also through Instagram, LinkedIn, and official websites in order to reach as many people as we can.
The aim of the podcast is to organize information and make it easily accessible to the audience. All the interviews conducted by the podcast and the information related to the associations of NRTI such as clubs and organizations will be transcribed into a written document in the form of report. This report will then be converted into a hard copy and by approval it shall be recorded and preserved safely with the administration and the podcast team. This will set up a platform and the ritual shall continue in the coming years. Any student who has brought laurels or has been a part of any organization during their course tenure will be entered with their respective reports. And years down the line, when they trail back to campus, they can revisit their name and work.
This is Ketan Sharma and I will be discussing the selection criteria for podcast. Podcast, being a separate body, focuses on creating content from and to the students through various domains as mentioned earlier, built primarily on the foundation of transportation. The content will be uploaded on the official student channel of the institute. Hence, anyone interested can be a part of this initiative. PodClass follows project-based association. Since there is no single domain for PodClass, any student who is good at something can reach us out through mail and pitch their idea to us. If the project seems associable, the PodClass will work on executing and uploading it on suitable platform, giving due credits to the team members. From time to time, PodClass shall also announce projects, and students interested to associate can reach us out and will be accommodated accordingly.